People will know you based on the things that you make real. Not just the things you say. It's not what you say. Oh, I did this and I did. Where's the receipt? These are receipts, man, right? Hey, that guy paid for that table. How did he do that? Okay, well, let me just go back a second and give you a little bit of reality. Because right now you probably think he's a white rich guy. True on both. And I apologize in advance. I am white, I apologize, and I'm rich as shit. And I'm looking for more. Because I can help more people if I got money. Yes, sir. Right? I cannot help anybody if I got empty pockets. If you come up to me today and say, hey, Mr. Cardone, can you help me out? Can you help me out? Man, I wish I could, but I can't. I want to. I know I was put here to help you, but look. Because when you go to Whole Foods or Publix tonight, guess what? Okay? God ain't coming out of your pockets and paying the bill. God, help me out. He will not pay the bill at Whole Foods. He does not get involved at that level. He's like, that's on you, dog. That's on you. That's called free will. Not free willy. It's called free will, okay? See, people take the God thing and they use it where they're comfortable, man. Okay, oh, I am blessed. Kevin Hart said, man, you blessed, man. I said, everybody's blessed, bro. I'm proving it.